welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up VPN safely and test for leaks. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to safely set up a VPN, all you gotta do is simply download and install a VPN application. So you can use a very trusted VPN. One of it is like 1.1.1.1 internet, so you can simply use these kind of VPN which are provided by a trusted source. Now, to test for leaks and disconnect your VPN, to find your true IP address, you need to first of all switch off your VPN mode. After this, you need to reconnect the VPN and visit a reliable IP or DNS leak test site like dnsleaktest.com. So once you simply go in it and check your VPN, you will be able to set up VPN safely and test for leaks. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.